Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am making puff puff. Okay, if you're having difficulty making puff puff or you don't know how to make it, then make sure to stick to the end of this video because I'll teach you how to make the best puff puff ever. To begin the video, I started by adding the dry ingredients into my mixing bowl. I added flour, sugar, salt, milk, nutmeg, and the yeast. Okay, the list of the ingredients will be in the description box or in the comment section. Okay, I want to use this medium to appreciate all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. I do not take your love for granted. Okay, and if you're a newcomer in this channel, why not join this family? Hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. After adding in the dry ingredients, go ahead and incorporate. Mix very well until you are sure everything is combined, as I am doing in this video. When the dry ingredients are properly mixed, add in your water or milk, liquid milk, depending on which one you want. So I added in water at this point and I'm going to mix it very well. At this point, be sure to mix the batter very well to avoid any lump in it. Can you see how creamy this batter is? How inviting. Over here, it is not just smooth, it smells also very nice. Because I like pepper and onion in my puff puff, I am adding in my already grated pepper and grated onion. You can use powdered pepper if that is what you have, or this. You can skip this process if you don't like pepper or onion. Okay, it is now time to cover it up and place it in a warm place to proof. Mind you, you have to place this in a warm place. After doubling in size, it is now ready for frying. Heat up your oil in a pan and make sure it is very hot. Puff puff needs very hot oil, if not it will soak oil and we do not want that. Okay, so once the oil is very hot, start scooping your puff puff batter into the oil as I am doing. You see how I'm turning my hand? This is how you do it. You cover your hand, you're going to pop it out through your thumb and your index finger, okay, to get that perfect round shape. Fry it on medium to high heat until it is properly cooked. And you see, what you have here is the perfect puff puff that you can enjoy with your family. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye.